What is involved in getting custom home design plans? The first order of business is purchasing a lot. A truly custom home design is specifically designed for the lot it sits on. Please read design articles online. Article Buying a lot to get a custom home designed. For what to consider. A survey will be needed before the custom home design can begin. If it is an older property, there should be one in the closing documents. Now there is some home design homework to do even before purchasing a lot. You have to know what you desire in the home and what the footage goal is to know what size the lot has to be. This homework is the first step in the house design. No matter how talented the designer, they are dependent on you for it to be a custom design, with communication being the key. So do not be shy about providing whatever you have accumulated or generated, whether it be pictures, notes, spreadsheets, or anything else that helps present what you want. Whether you provide a lot of material or none at all, though, it is the designer's responsibility to discuss anything relevant to the project.